Alright, so before even getting into this, because I know what a lot of you are going to be commenting. Yo, what happened to part 4 of this? What happened to part 5 of that? You see me? Just bear with me. Bear with me. Please. Do not crucify me. Things are coming. Things are coming. But for today's video, today we'll be reacting to this Jamaican short film, My Body, My Choice. Of course, it includes, well, I don't know the full cast of persons, but it includes Dwight Gill, who is someone we've worked with on the channel here before. And of course, I thought I'd live react to it. Of course, definitely, I'll leave the link to the full video and the channel in the description. Go over there and show them some love. But let's see how this video actually goes down. Of course, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and please not cost me off too much in terms of when part 4, 5, 6, 9 or whatever is dropping for the next play. Please. Now, Teresa Gill. Of course, Dwight Gill, the man himself. I'm gonna say a spurring off the start of the morning. No, there's a lot of talent here in Jamaica now, but we just need some bit more exposure. I'm not like enough persons can do them thing. Could I answer still?
Ray.
What are you doing?
Are you my father now? I am way past the legal age.
Can we just talk about this?
There's nothing to talk about.
That them always say no.
Well, I have something to say. What could I do to make you change your mind? You know, I just got promoted for a manager. Please, don't do this. Let's just be a family, no? I'll do everything in my power to be the best father and best husband. Please.
Boy, Ray, she don't want your dog.
I will not have a baby.
Jeez,
I am having an abortion.
We both made this baby. It's not fair for you to just do away with our baby.
Look rough on your Ray, man, nah lie. Exactly. I like the whole said them decide to do the whole flip side to show the other part of the story. Boy, Rena, take no chat now, no. Man say, yo, I think the mids with this, brother. I mean, like, so, like, compared to the flip side of it, the body language and thing, is I mean.
I missed you.
Yeah. Me too.
Jeez,
You know you shouldn't be doing that around me, right? I'm keeping my baby. Our baby.
You can't just make that decision all by yourself. Out of it.
Oh. You're gonna pay child support to the fool!
Boom. Yo, Jano dog. It's a child support till you're fool. Alright. Definitely a vibe, definitely a vibe. Dwight, Definitely like this one, and reach 109 subscribers already. I already subscribed. All right, so that was actually pretty good. I love the fact that you guys decided to do the whole flip side deal. And of course, this is something that happens like more often than not in today's society. So it's not like it's not new, but it's something I think a lot of persons can resonate with. There's a lot of different ways you could even look at it in terms of the pressures that women go through in terms of, as I said, my body, my choice. But you can also turn it on its head, turn it on the flip side, and say, yo, what men go through. Like, you could also say, yo, after the man, yes, it's kind of like you can look at the nuance of it and say, yo, it's like probably the man not really have any choice after things leave theme body is. I mean, so there's multiple angles you can actually look at it from. And I guess it kind of reinforces the notion that when it comes on to situations like that, you have to make sure that you and the significant other really and truly upon the same page, because stress, drama, when one person want the child, one person doesn't want the child, why different like so many different cards can play. Because I mean, on one side of things, you could have it being that yeah, so the guy doesn't want it, and the girl eventually agrees to abort it and thing. Maybe down the line she can't actually have kids, and then she's gonna look back on the situation with regret. So that's even one way to look at it as well. On the flip side, again, like even when the guy wants it and the guy can afford to really and truly take care of the woman and child, and then the woman doesn't want it, and it's like it kind of messes up the whole relationship essentially. But it's not a black and white issue. I'll tell you that much. There's so many different ways you can look at it, and it can be a debate, could be a minor debate, could be a medium debate. So many ways to slice and dice it, but definitely love this, honestly. I'm looking forward to seeing what else you guys put out. I might even look from the comments them and say private progress. Yeah, man, do I to do him thing, man. Beautiful, damn so proud of you. Yeah. Alright guys, so as I said, I'll leave the link to this because of course fair use, so I'm not gonna be showing the entire thing in this video here. It'll be chopped up more than likely. So definitely give Benner Dre Media's Project Cinema, forgive me for butchering the name, give them a link, and of course I'm looking forward to seeing what else they put out over 2022. Like, subscribe. Of course guys, you will be getting at least one more part of some play before the year ends, so please stay tuned. And we're almost 100,000 subscribers, so share the videos out.